Holton Plumbing Services Limited, providing commercial and domestic plumbing services. We carry out all aspects of plumbing and heating installations and repairs, including underfloor heating, solar heating, heat pumps and ground source heating systems. Our capabilities include natural gas, LPG and oil-fired systems. We can also fabricate and install traditional leadwork for flashing, flat roofs and decorative features. Our local engineers cover all areas and we have 24-hour answer phone, so we are able to deal promptly and competently with any requirements you may have. For more information, call today.